Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove background in Photoshop using Pen tool. This tool is good when you need some clean shapes, clean lines, some precise ones. I use it for architecture photos a lot. So let's start. Duplicate layer, Command J, go to Pen tool and choose Curvature Pen tool. I like this one because it makes the lines more smooth. So let's start doing this. You can easily correct the line throughout the way. When you double click, it makes the line straight without any curve. So you see, it was double clicked, now it's straight. We can later correct it if you want. So we can move any of them here, there, double click, whatever you want. Add new points here. All the lines are smooth and nice. And that's something I like about Pen tool. This is what I expect from architectural photos. Here. Double click. And now right click, make selection, OK, and go to mask. So now our layer is masked. See, the background was removed. So now if you want to correct these small imperfections, you go to mask here, you choose the brush, you choose black if you want to remove things, you choose white, click X, you choose white if you want to add things. But yeah, you can further work on some small imperfections you don't like, or even just use Pen tool again here, just to make sure everything works as you want. Like this, make selection, OK, brush, and we remove things. So yeah.